In today's video, I have a haul that I really like these pieces. I picked these pieces up for the end of spring, summertime. I needed to pick up some cute little pieces to go with me on vacation. And I just curated just a couple items that I just wanted to show you that I have been loving that I picked up. And let's just go ahead and get on with today's haul. Hello, my name is TK, and on this channel I dive deep into handbags, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things luxury. But of course, over here we like to keep it at a minimal cost. If this is your vibe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So first of all, I picked up a handbag, and I picked up something else to go with this handbag because I just thought that it was just appropriate. And let's just get into this handbag. I love this handbag. It's such a classic, and I just needed a smaller one because I do have a larger caviar classic flap, and I just needed something in this soft leather that was just really soft and subtle, that I thought that this bag was perfect. It comes in the beautiful antique gold hardware, has like this CC detailing hanging off of it. I love these types of bags, and it also has a little small Mona Lisa smile pocket in the back. She has a zip up compartment, like a little card slot in this beautiful gold, like a muted gold color. And it also has the brand logo printed here. And let me check and see if I can get my phone in this bag. And yes, my phone fits perfect, and I have a Pro Max and she fits lovely in here. And as for me wearing this bag, I would definitely wear this bag crossbody this way. I just love how it hits me, and I actually draw the bag all the way up to the longest length that I could. And I love right here where it hits me. I just think this bag is so chic. I think I could get a lot in this bag because I can wear this bag sporty, I can wear it casual, I can wear it elegant. That's the one thing about these bags. You have so many options on how you can wear these bags. So I wanted this bag to go with a specific piece so that I could wear these pieces together, and I just felt like they would make sense. And of course, it's a pair of shoes. And I didn't need these shoes because I do have the canvas type that's similar to these, but I wanted more of a track sneaker. And I felt like these were perfect. I just knew that these would be perfect. And here are her dust bags. And here are these track shoes. I love these track shoes. I think these track shoes are so chic and elegant. And as you remember, I do have a pair, like I said, of the canvas ones, but I wanted more of the track shoe because this will be good for an airport look. I just thought these two paired together with a nice little tracksuit going on my vacay, I think that this would be perfect. These look so good and so chic together. It just makes me look like that expensive auntie that I'm always going for. And these shoes, I did pick these up a little larger. I got them in a Euro 38. And as you all know that are, my OGs, you all know I always get in my sneakers a Euro 37, and my sliders and sling bags, I get a 38. These do run true to size, so these are just a little bit too big for me, but adding a pair of socks would make them fine. And I'm just truly not a sock girl, but it doesn't matter. I love these, and no one will know. There's just like I would say like a half an inch too big, which is good because it gives my toes, especially if I have acrylic on my toes, gives my toes room to move around. But it has like these leather detailing here, the CC's in leather, and it has this beautiful beige trim. And on the back, it has like this burgundy color flop. And on the other pair, you can wear them up or down, but I'm pretty sure this is the way that how I would wear them. And I just think that these shoes are so chic. I love them. I just cannot wait to just wear both of these together. So next I picked up a pair of ready to wear, and it is these jeans here. I love a wide leg barrel jean type jean. I love these jeans. I showed you in a previous video, I got the green cargos from this brand, and I just had to get a pair of jeans because you can wear this and style these jeans so many different ways. And as you can see, I just added a tank top with it, and I just wanted to show the whole detailing of these pants. That's why I just put a tank top on, because I felt like you would be able to see how high-waisted they are and how balloon type these pants are. And this is like the back of them. And I love how these jeans fit. These jeans are so comfy. I love how they just actually hug me. And I did pick these jeans up in a size large, and this is Asian large sizes. So we all know with the conversion, their sizes are 2 sizes smaller than US size. So technically these pants are small. So, you know, do with it as you please, but these jeans are amazing. The quality and the fit of these jeans, I just love how it just cinches my waist in, and I just love how it comes with the belt detailing. So the belt is also a jean belt. So if you don't want the belt on, you can take the belt off. Me, I'm definitely gonna keep the belt on because the jeans are just a tad bit too big for me. And I will have my size for reference somewhere here popped up on the screen, so that if any of you ladies are interested in these jeans, check my measurements to see if they're closer to yours, to see if these jeans will fit you. And it has like this little pocket detailing here. I love it has these deep pockets. It has these pleating details down the front, which makes it more flattering. And like I said, I just love a barrel leg, balloon leg pants. I have really small legs, so these type of pants work so much better for me. And I also picked up another handbag, and I just felt like, why not? I wanted this handbag, and I just haven't been a fan of the cosmetic bags lately, but from this brand, I really wanted one because I felt like it will go with a lot of things that I wanted to wear for my trip for Carousel. And I picked up this Zucca print bag, and she is beautiful. The quality and the craftsmanship of her is just everything. And she comes with this detachable chain, and it has like it's not real leather, but hey, we're bougie on a budget over here. And I just love it. And it has like the brand logo here, which makes it look so chic to me. And this is how the inside of her look. And she has this one little slot here. And if my phone can fit in her, and my phone fits in here perfectly. So like I said, you can add whatever you want in here, and she will definitely be a good bag if you just really want a small bag but will pack a lot. This definitely packs a lot, and this is where she hits if you want to crossbody her. This bag is gorgeous. I love this bag. And if you want to wear her as a shoulder strap, this is where she hangs for a shoulder strap. And or if you are like me and just want to kind of carry her just top handle, she is darling as a top handle. This bag is gorgeous. The quality, there's not a stitching out of place. I just think that this bag is so perfect for me. And I do have a pair of Zucca print sliders that I could wear with this, that as you can, you know, I'm thinking vacation because my vacation is coming up soon. So I'm just thinking of outfits and pieces, accessories to go with my outfits, and she is everything. And I have always been interested in the LV graffiti bags, but I wanted a LV graffiti never full bag, and I cannot get my hands on those. I know they have those in Japan because I see where some influencers that I follow, they went to Osaka, was it? I'm not for sure, but where they do all of the vintage luxury shopping, and they had this speedy green, pink, and I think one was in yellow. And I couldn't get my hands on one, but I got my hands on this one. If you are a speedy bag girl and you love chaos, this is your bag. This bag to me is so, it's edgy. It's just so edgy to me. I love an edgy handbag, especially if I'm wearing like all black or have that sporty look. And she comes with silver hardware, and she also comes with a little coin pouch, or card pouch, whatever you want to put in it, or you can detach it. It also comes with a luggage tag. It comes with an adjustable crossbody strap. And when you go inside of her, hold on, I got her stuffed. And in the inside, she is this bright red faux leather. She has one zip up compartment here with the brand logo tag here. She is darling. Like, I love this bag. I can see myself with this bag out with an all black fit, where I just think that I'm just that edgy girl. I love this. And she also comes with a lock, and there's the lock mechanism. And she also comes with a real functioning key. I love this bag. Let me give you a 360 of her because she is just to die for. I love her. And sorry about the noise. It's Winston. He's laying there just making noise, but he's in there, so I'm glad he's letting me film. But yeah, if you are interested, I think that this is a great bag for a very edgy chick. And I have two more items that I want to show you, but they kind of combine together. So the first, what I have is, but look at how darling this little dog bag charm is. And I just thought that this bag charm would be perfect to go with the bag that I selected. So let me show you the bag, and then I'll show you the full effect of what I was going for. And I know you all have seen these bags here floating around Pinterest. I have been interested in these bags for a long time, and I had said I need to get this bag because I just love the look of it. It's extra, it's loud, because we already know this brand is gonna be loud with their logo, but it is just so beautiful. The construction of this bag is everything. And in the inside of the bag, it has this red, white, and green, just bright, bold prints. It has this one compartment here where I guess you can keep your cards and stuff because it snaps closed if you don't, so your stuff won't fall out. It has the brand tag here, and it does close. So it closes magnetically, and here you go. And then it has this little ring here. So that's why I wanted this charm to go onto this bag. So this is why I picked this little charm, because I wanted it to hang off this bag. You all know I'm a bag charm girl, so I needed a charm to go here because I thought a charm was appropriate because of that little hang tag. And me, I will definitely carry her top handle, and the top handle is, you can take the top handle off if you would like, and you can also take the long strap off, and the long strap is adjustable. And here you go if you want to crossbody her. Winston, stop. Here it is if you want to crossbody her, and here it is if you want to wear her as a shoulder bag. She is so gorgeous. The stitching and everything is just to perfection. I love this bag. All right, my babes, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed my haul today that nobody asked for. I just picked these things up, like I said, for the end of spring, summer, to get ready for my vacations. I need to get all my accessories together so that I can look like a rich auntie on vacation. And I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all of my social media pages. Give this video a big thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my content. And to the next video, stay stylish, stay confident, and I will see you in my next.